विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Namaste. I am Hastane Saria. I welcome you all for today's morning assembly. Prayer. Prayer is nothing else than being in term of friendship with God. So let's start our today's assembly with prayer.
સુખ કરતા દુઃખ હરતા વાર્તા વિઘ્નાચી ગજાનન ગણપતિની આ સુંદર સ્તુતિ મરાઠી ભાષામાં છે, પરંતુ આખા ભારતમાં પછી ગુજરાત હોય, મહારાષ્ટ્ર હોય, રાજસ્થાન હોય કે પંજાબ હોય, કોઈ પણ પ્રાંતમાં આ સ્તુતિ એટલી જ પ્રચલિત છે અને ગજાનન ગણપતિને યાદ કરવા માટે આ સ્તુતિને જરૂરથી વગાડવામાં આવે છે. તો આવો બધા મળીને ગજાનન ગણપતિને આરાધીએ આ સ્તુતિ દ્વારા.
जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव सुखहर्ता दुःखहर्ता वार्ता विघ्नाची दुर्गे पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर उदशेंदुराची कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळांची जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव खचिता फरा तुझ गौरी कुमरा चंदनाची ओटी कुंकुम केशरा हिरे जडिता मुकुट शोभा डोबरा रुंजुंती नुपुरे चरणी घागरिया जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव लंबोदर पीतांबर फणिवर वंदना सरसौंदर वक्रतुंड त्रिनयना दास रामाच्या वाटपाहे सगना संकटी पावावे निर्वाणी रक्षावे सुरवर वंदना जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव
નમસ્તે, સુપ્રભાત. આજે તારીખ 24/3/2021 બુધવાર તેમજ ગુજરાતી કેલેન્ડર પ્રમાણે ફાગણ સુદ દસમ છે. શ્રદ્ધા, સદભાવના, મસ્તી અને ભાઈચારાનો છે આ તહેવાર. રંગોથી જોડ્યા છે પ્રેમના તાર. દરેક તરફ છે રંગોની બહાર. બોલો મારા મિત્રો, આ તો છે કયો તહેવાર? હા, બધાનું અનુમાન સાચું જ છે. હા, હું હોળી વિશે જ વાત કરી રહ્યો છું. આપણે જેવું હોળી શબ્દ બોલીએ એટલે એક સાથે ઘણા બધા રંગોથી આપણું હૈયું ભરાઈ જાય છે અને આપણે આનંદનો અનુભવ પણ થાય છે. હોળી એ ફાગણ સુદ પૂનમના દિવસે ઉજવવામાં આવે છે. એના પછીના દિવસે ધૂળેટી ઉજવવામાં આવે છે. આમ આ તહેવાર 2 દિવસ ધામધૂમથી બધા ઉજવે છે. ભારતમાં તો મથુરા, બરસાના, વૃંદાવન, શાંતિનિકેતન વગેરે પ્રદેશની હોળી ખૂબ વખણાય છે. તો ચાલો મિત્રો આપણે હોળી વિશે વધુ વિસ્તારથી મારા મિત્રો પાસેથી સાંભળીએ.
Namaste. Colors. What are these colors? What is the meaning of this color? Every color has its own meaning and identity. Sometimes colors are beautiful. Sometimes they are fun. Sometimes they are kind. Sometimes they are happiness. When we hear this word color, all those colorful things come up in our mind. What do we think of other colors too, which are very, very important and beautiful too? Yes, I am talking about colors of happiness, colors of helpfulness, colors of kindness, colors of friendship, colors of love, and many more. These are those colors which bring real happiness and smile on one's face when shared with someone. On this note, I would like to show you a heart-touching video.
நீனான் சிவம் வாழ்வே தவம் அன்பே சிவம் ஆத்திகம் பேசும் அடியார்க்கெல்லாம் சிவமே அன்பாகும் நாத்திகம் பேசும் நல்லவருக்கு அன்பே சிவமாகும் அன்பே சிவம் சிவம் என்போம் சிவம் சிவம் என்போம் அன்பே சிவம் என்போம் அன்பே சிவம் என்போம் யார் யார் சிவம் நீனான் சிவம்
नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज हम होली की बात करेंगे. रंगों के बिना होली अधूरी है. और दोस्तों, हमारी दुनिया कितनी रंग बिरंगी है. सूरज पीला, आसमान नीला, पेड़ पौधे हरे और धरती पूरी. इस रंग बिरंगी दुनिया में सब कुछ रंगीला है, क्योंकि हर रंग कुछ कहता है. तो आइए दोस्तों, हम जानते हैं रंगों के महत्व के बारे में हमारे दोस्तों से. Being the color of sunshine, warmth and positivity, yellow puts a smile on a die. Yellow is the happiest color among all the colors. Yellow expresses cheerfulness, friendliness, joy and energy. Bright yellow is an attention getter, which is most visible from a distance. That is why it is used in street signs, communiques and traffic lights. It is also used in police cautionary tag and in life-saving suits as a cautionary color.
Green is the color of nature. It symbolizes growth, harmony, freshness and fertility. Green has strong emotional correspondence with safety. Green indicates growth and hope. Green is directly related to nature, so it can be used to promote green product. Green in the Indian flag symbolizes prosperity, agriculture and fertility.
Red is associated with the heat of energy, passion and love. We see red when we are angry, and it's also the color of blood, power and danger. Think of a bright red of a fireman stop or the stop sign in traffic.
Purple is often associated with royalty, luxury and power. It also represents wealth, creativity, wisdom, devotion, peace, pride, independence and magic. It is the favorite color of adults and girls.
Namaste. Today I will tell you something about black. Black represents evil, darkness, night and disappear. It's the color used to convey certainty and authority, and when used in opposition with white, it's a symbol of the eternal struggle between day and night, good and evil, and right and wrong. But black is the preferred color for much formal attire, which is timeless and always appropriate. Thank you.
Namaste. My name is Tilika Raya. I am going to tell you about white color. White is a color of purity, light, peace, and goodness. It is associated with angels. It often seems like a blank slate, symbolizing a new beginning or a fresh start. Hospital and hospital workers use white to create a sense of stability. Thank you.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, हम सबको होली खेलना बहुत पसंद है। मुझे तो होली खेलना बहुत ही पसंद है। बहुत सारी मिठाई, दोस्त और रंग, कितना मजा आता है ना। पर ये कोरोना, अब हम सब लोग दोस्त होली कैसे खेलेंगे सोचते हैं। आइडिया, हम सब लोग दोस्त फिर भी होली खेल सकते हैं।
होली है, ढोल बजाओ, रंग लगाओ, ढोल बजाओ, डम 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 डम, होली का त्योहार आया है। रंग लगाओ, रंग 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 रंग, रंगों का त्योहार आया है। पिचकारी चलाओ, भीगो भिगाओ, पानी के गुब्बारे बनाओ, गुब्बारों से खेलने का त्योहार आया है। मिठाई खाओ, खाओ खाओ खाओ, मिठाइयों का त्योहार आया है। होली है, ढोल बजाओ, डम 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 डम, होली का त्योहार आया है। होली है।
પણ તહેવાર હોય અને જો તે નિમિત્તે આપણે શુભેચ્છા ન પાઠવીએ તો કેમ ચાલે? આપણા મિત્રો તેમજ સગા સંબંધીઓને શુભેચ્છા પાઠવવા માટે ઘણી બધી અલગ અલગ રીતો છે. ક્યારેક ફોન દ્વારા, ક્યારેક મેલ દ્વારા, ક્યારેક ગળે મળીને, તો ક્યારેક કાર્ડ દ્વારા શુભેચ્છાઓ પાઠવી શકાય છે. તો ચાલો સુંદર મજાના શુભેચ્છા સંદેશ માટે સુંદર કાર્ડ બનાવતા પણ શીખીએ.
Now, I would like to request Hiral ma'am for today's point to Socho.
Holi, the festival of colors, is celebrated in different corners of the country with pomp and gaiety on the full moon day of the month of Phagan, which is the month of March as per the Gregorian calendar. We all are also aware of the legend of the demon king Hiranyakashyap, his son Prahlad and his sister Holika. I don't want to repeat that story. Have you ever wondered that there could be some scientific reason behind the festivals that we celebrate? Today, I intend to trace the scientific reason behind the festival of Holi. So come, let's explore. Holi is celebrated in spring season, which marks the end of winter and the advent of the summer season. This period induces growth of bacteria both in the atmosphere as well as in the human body. When Holika is burnt, the temperature of the surrounding area raises up to around 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. When people perform parikrama, the heat from the bonfire kills the bacteria in their body and cleanses it. It is this time of the year when people feel some laziness in their body. To counter this laziness, people sing folk songs along with dhol, manjira and other traditional instruments. This helps in rejuvenating the human body. Along with this, the physical movement while playful pouring of colors also helps in this process. Colors play a very vital role in the fitness of the human body. Deficiency of a particular color can cause an ailment, and this can be treated by supplementing that color element either through diet or by medicine. In ancient times, when people started playing Holi, the colors used by them were made up of natural elements like turmeric, neem, palash, etc. These natural elements help in strengthening the ions of the body and add health and beauty to it. They increase the fitness of the human body. Nowadays, markets are flooded with synthetic colors and herbal colors are not easily available. These synthetic colors are cheap and so people feel that we have to pour them on others and not on ourselves, and so they tend to opt for it. But they forget one thing, that everyone believes in the same way and they are themselves poured upon also by the same synthetic colors. These synthetic colors contain harmful chemicals like lead oxide, chromium iodine, copper sulfate, diesel, etc. These harmful chemicals cause skin irritation, allergies, pigmentation, eye irritation as well as damage to the hair follicles. It can also lead to serious skin diseases as well as clogging of the follicles of the hair, leading to severe hair damage. We should all opt for herbal colors. Let us all ponder, should we actually use such synthetic colors? This is what we all should think. Point to Socho.
જોયું મારા મિત્રોએ તો કોરોનામાં પણ કેટલી સરસ રીતે તહેવારની ઉજવણી કરી. રંગોથી રંગવાની મજા પડી ને. તો ચલો રાષ્ટ્રીય ગીત માટે થઈ જાવ તૈયાર. સાવધાન. throughout the assembly. Have a good day ahead.
जहाँ ज्ञान है वहाँ अहंकार नहीं, और जहाँ अहंकार है वहाँ ज्ञान नहीं। आज की हमारी प्रार्थना है गजानना, उस विद्या के देव, उस ज्ञान के देव को समर्पित है। और इससे हमें सीखने को मिलता है कि हमारा मस्तिष्क कोई ऐसी जगह नहीं है कि जिसमें हम व्यर्थ बातें जैसे कि काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह और ईर्ष्या का उसमें समावेश करें, परंतु हमारा मस्तिष्क ऐसी जगह है कि जिसमें हम मान, सम्मान, विद्या और ज्ञान, विज्ञान का उसमें समावेश करें, सद्भावना का उसमें समावेश करें। आइए उस प्रथमेश्वरा को हम प्रार्थना करें कि हमारे मन को ज्ञान से भर दे, विद्या से भर दे।
सुखकारी